This is the E66 Health Band. You have your normal step count information, and this one comes with a built-in 24/7 thermometer that can measure its centigrade or change to Fahrenheit from the app. You also can do blood pressure and heart rate. You have ECG long pressing with the ECG plates can create an overall ECG chart and give you ECG plus PPG heart rate. You have blood oxygen in this one as well, full health complement. In the sports arena, you have some basic functions like running, walking, cycling, and fitness workout, but that's about it. You can see last night's sleep time. You can receive messages and read them from your phone, push to the watch, and a few other goodies in here. Turn your wrist to see the time settings, brightness, and reset the watch. Of course, you can turn it off too. And you have the ability in the app to change to about 4 different watch faces. The main thing about this one is that temperature capability and the ECG that has artificial intelligence interpretation in the Tethering app, so be sure you watch the full review of the E66. Check it out.